Hello viewers, hope you find this channel interesting and useful. This is the third episode regarding opportunities. Today, let's talk about different stakeholders for the project. For every asset, there must be some owner. For infrastructure projects, typically the owner is government bodies. However, some of the projects are developed and owned by private entities and some are jointly by the government and private entities. We call it public-private partnership or PPP. The owner hires advisors with different expertise to fulfill its objective for the project. For feasibility study, planning, design engineering, procurement, project management, supervision, it hires technical advisors or engineering consultant, architect, project management consultant, etc. For business plan and all financial matters, it hires management or financial consultant. For legal matters and compliances, the owner should have a legal advisor. Similarly, for project insurances, it should have an insurance advisor to mitigate risk for the huge capital investment in the project. I have covered the list of key advisors. The owner might hire other advisors depending on the complexity of the project and the in-house capability available with the company. The owner requires money for the project and thus the next stakeholder is the lender who arranges fund for the project. Typically for infrastructure project, it should be a consortium of commercial banks and financial institutions because the capital requirement is very large. Now with the availability of advisors and fund, owner would need one or more companies to realize the project. So the next lot of stakeholders come into play. It covers a wide range of participants in the project. Suppliers for supplying material, manufacturers to manufacture equipment or other product required in the project, transporters to bring raw materials to project location, contractors to arrange workers for assembling and constructing the facilities, etc. The owner decides if it would hire a few contractors clubbing the independent items, or it may like to hire separate entities for each item and manage them through in-house strong project management unit or by hiring a reputed project management consultant. For various infrastructure projects, there are requirements of periodic approvals, permits and licenses from various regulatory bodies and government departments. So, such authorities are also stakeholders in the project. Guys, you can notice that there are several stakeholders in the project right from the inception to the realization of the project. And all these stakeholders require engineers to perform their respective roles in the project. Your mindset should align with the responsibilities your company has in the project. We will cover the different mindsets for working with these stakeholders in our next tutorial. Stay connected and enjoy learning.